Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your font on Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your font style or size on Google Keeps account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of your Google Keeps account will appear on the screen. Before starting, let me tell you that Google Keeps does not provide an option to change the font size or style of the text within the Google Keep application. However, you can use a word-around solution to change the font style of text. Now, for that, type in a regular text in a Google Keeps account. If you want to change the font or style of this particular sentence, go ahead and open up any web browser of your preference. Search for boldtext.io and on the search box, simply paste the text that you have generated on Google Keeps Note. Copy the text and paste it on boldtext.io. It will then show you a series of font size and styles displayed underneath. Select the one that you like and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and copy the font style and get back to your Google Keeps account. You can then paste in the newly generated font, and that's how you'll be able to change your font on Google Keeps account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.